Guys, I'm literally so excited because I got the viral, like, I don't know what they are, but those, like, beaded ones when you take, I don't know, the air out of them or something. But I got, like, 4 of them, but look. Okay, no, they're not ASMR yet. So I got blue and green and pink and purple. So, do I just, like, oh my god. Your imagination got me going viral. I'm low-key scared, guys. What'd I do? How do I do this? This did not turn out how I thought it was going to. I think there's still air to be taken out. 1 second, let me go like this again. Oh, there's a lot of air I need to take out of it. Okay. Shut up. Okay, I want to take some more air out of it. So I'll be right back after I take all the air out of it I want. Okay, I'm back 20 pumps later. Look. It is so nice. Listen. Oh, that's so good. All right, on to the next. I think this one's green and this one is pink. You can't tell because it's a white mask, of course. But, you know, it's okay. And I finally have the thing to take the air out of. Whoop, whoop. All right, next squishy, and I know it is green. It's green. Okay, before and after. Warning, there are needles, if you don't know yet. Okay, next one. I'm so excited. Bow, bow. Don't ask why I'm holding the scissors the wrong way. Alright, I think this one's blue. Yeah, I'm correct. Because, girly, I'm always correct. Okay, it's blue. This one's green, and we all know it is. We can tell. And this one's pink. Before and... Just joking, we're not doing before and afters. Alright, so all you do is this after you've done it. And you can just poke. I did that wrong. You go like this, poke in, and out. Like that, over and over again. Until, you know, you get what you want. This one's so much better than all of them. Blue, green, and pink, which still has a lot of air in there. So. Okay, I think I got all of it. There's no air in here. Alright, last but not least, purple. Yeah, I hope it's purple. I don't know. The digital footprint is looking so insane. Oh, nope, this is pink, and I guess this one's purple. Oh, this is the pink one. I low-key like it like this, but no, we're gonna take the air out of the video. Bum bum. No one's getting hurt in the making of this video, by the way. Except for the squishies. But they're not real people, YouTube. They're just beads in a skin. Okay, here it is. Now I could take the air out of one of the squishies I've been wanting to take the air out of. Let me put all this trash in my trash bin. Because, like, I have this one squishy that needs all the air out of. It's, like, so not fun to play with right now. But look at this. Just merely, why do these two get the air back? That should not happen. Like, it should stay like this. 1 second. I don't think I got enough air out of them. Look, here's this one. 2 are my favorites, I think. Okay. Let's get the rest of the air out of these, I guess. That's my mom. Don't mind her. She's just having difficulties. Okay, here it is. That's like really nice. Okay, here's the green one my dad wanted. Your imagination got me going. Okay, have you guys like, no wait, we're not done yet. We have one more mission to complete. And you all know what that is. Not what I just did. Let me go grab it. It's in my squishy bag. Somewhere. Ow! Can't find it, so you're gonna dig with me. It should be in here, bro. Cause like this is where all my squishies are. There it is. Found it. Oh, so yes, it is beaded, just like all the other ones, and everything just fell out. My foot. And we're gonna try to make it like these. And even though there's only like 10 in here, but whatever. There's a bunch more beads. Ow! Yep, it's coming through. Okay. Let's hope this turns out good. Okay, looks like we're gonna have to pierce that better. There's like a lot of air in here, bro, but it's coming out and I can feel it come out sooner or later.
Why would she make that a call?
Sorry, my mom's on a call right now. Okay, here it is. We're done with this one. Now look at these. Alright, let's give this one to my daddy. Let me see, is it the green one? Alright, let me go write a note and I'll give this to him real quick. Okay, don't miss it. Alright, listen to the background. Listen to me so they shut my door. So that. It was only open because my dog was in here a second ago. But here they are without the air. This is the pink one. I'll be doing ASMR videos soon with these, don't worry. Because I know how beautiful they sound. Like music to your ears, isn't it? I'm going to do a lot of air out because... Look at the difference. Look at this one. This one is so nice. Listen. Oh my gosh. Now let's do it with the next one. Your imagination got me going 5-0. Don't worry, I already stabbed myself with this thing, so it doesn't hurt that bad. Yes, it is a little hard at first, but then it gets so much better. Look at this. It's basically slime. Last but not least, my pink one. That's way too bouncy for my likings. But like, it won't stay like slime. It always comes back a little more. So, yes, I did poke myself once or twice while making this video. I don't know how the air gets out. Oh, there's like a little miniature hole. It's not focusing. Right there. Yeah. By the way, I'm doing this with nails, so it is not that easy. I'm getting a lot of air out. Like, come on out. Like, I'm coming out. Okay, I got a lot of air out of it. Sorry, that's a lot. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed my videos, and see you in the next one.